So here's how to link Calendly to Squarespace. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and search Squarespace. Go to the website and then go to your account dashboard from this profile icon. Click on Go to Website. I will add a section here to link Calendly, so click on Edit. Then click Add Section. Now add a blank section by clicking on Add a blank section. Now click Add Block. Scroll down from left and click on Code. Drag this to the center. Click on this edit icon. Now open the new tab. Search Calendly and go to your account. This is 30-minute meeting and I will add this to Squarespace. Click on Share. There are 3 options: share a link, add times to email, and add to website. Click on third one. Then select Inline Embed. Then click Continue. Copy the code. Go to Squarespace and paste the code. Click on blank area. Save from top left side and then click Exit. Now scroll down and you can see Calendly 30-minute meeting is added in the blank section. This is how you can link Calendly to Squarespace.